So far, this just looks disgusting. What do you reckon, Mum?
Yeah, but mayo, bit of gravy.
Disgusting. Two siblings.
Two siblings taking out the challenge of making KFC chicken. Who wins? You decide.
Do you like KFC?
Sure.
Make one. KFC challenge!
Oh,
What's the most important thing in KFC?
chicken.
Herbs and spices.
Chicken.
So 7 herbs and spices. 2 cameras. Different angles, mate. So Kelly's been cheating. Kelly's actually been researching a recipe today. I've done no research, but I'm a better cook. But Kelly has a refined palate for KFC. All I think of when I think KFC is pepper and oil. What do you think?
Chicken skin and gravy.
So here's the layout. Kelly's going to be over here with her cooking stuff. I'm going to be over here with my bowl. And we're just going to go at it and make some chicken, I guess.
So we are going to start our KFC chicken challenge. Firstly, I've put some Jersey milk and some lemon juice in a little bowl. And then, oh, I don't know, you stop it.
Right, so this is all the ingredients that we're going to be using. It's literally every spice that we have, and we've not looked at a recipe. Apart from Kelly, because she's a cheater, so she's got an idea of recipe. So we've got, I'm not going to say them all, but you get the idea. There's some curry powder as well. I don't know if I'm putting curry powder in there.
There's some chicken, there's some milk, there's some flour, there's some milk flour, and I don't know what else.
Milk and lemon juice.
Milk and lemon juice.
Jersey milk.
Someone's cheating. So we've got someone who's cheated, but who can't cook.
I can cook.
And we've got someone who doesn't know anything and can cook.
I'm passionate about chicken.
She's passionate about chicken. Oh, look at that shot. Ooh.
So I started with some flour, smoked paprika, garlic, pepper, bit of salt and thyme, and I will add my favourite ingredient, which is this. I'm not going to shout it so Jamie can't copy me, but this should taste really nice.
Right, so to start mine, I've gone for a shitload of flour and a shitload of pepper, because when I think KFC, I just think pepper.
So I've battered all of my chicken. I've definitely put too much flour in, but I think it's going to turn out pretty good.
Right, so look at this concoction now. I don't even know what I've put in there. I think I've put turmeric, allspice, right, that's a shout, because I think there's a tint of like cinnamon or something in there. And then we've gone with thyme, garlic, paprika. I think that's it so far. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients. We need 2 more. So Kelly thinks she's got the bad camera, but I think it's the best one. Well, it's not the best one, technically not the best one, but it's so easy to use. You just recognises your face and you can see yourself. What are we doing now?
We've got a dilemma.
What's the dilemma?
I need my egg washy thingy, but not for eggs, but...
Your egg washy thingy, but not for eggs?
Yeah, I got it for Christmas and I don't know where it is.
Right, Kelly's looks quite chunky. So she's looked at a recipe, but mine's quite powdery. I feel as though I need some liquid in there. I don't know if to give them milk, lemon, or water. Or like throw it completely out there and put some coconut milk in there or something. I don't know.
Can I turn this on?
We won't show Kelly, but this might do the trick.
I forgot to put too much flour in.
Milk and what the fuck is
No,
that?
this is milk and lemon. So you do that,
Yep,
put that in there.
plonk it in there. Ah, I see.
You get me?
I get you, bro.
And then pop it in there.
What's going to be your cooking method?
I'm going to shallow fry it for like 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going to bake it for about 20-30 minutes after.
What have you just said?
Put too much flour
Jesus
in.
Christ. I think there's one thing that I'm going to pip Kelly to the point. What's the saying? Pip to the point? Pitch. What was it? I think there's one thing that I'm going to get on Kelly that she might have either forgot or didn't think of.
What?
egg
No,
wash.
I don't need egg.
She don't need egg. I'm gonna hit it with egg. She's not hitting it with egg. I think that's gonna cause the batter to fall off, and it's all in the batter. Fuck it. Secret ingredient. I reckon Colonel. What's his name? Colonel Sanders.
No, Kentucky.
Was an alcoholic, and he just put rum in it, and that's why it tastes so good.
So what are you doing, Jamie?
Cracking it. Ah! That could have been so bad.
You okay? Have you cut yourself?
No, I was very close to.
Oh my god.
Ooh, okay, so we're going in with the egg whites as well as yolk. Shit. I just wanted the yolk. I don't even yolk an egg.
You've got to like tip it out.
I need another container, don't I? So I've never actually egg washed anything in my life.
Not even sausage rolls?
Not even sausage rolls. I don't know if it's yolk. I don't want you to tell me. I'm just going to go at it. I don't know if it's yolk or it's egg. Like, part of me wants to just do the yolk because I did it with pasta the other day and it made it quite rich. Oh, I've just seen sriracha sauce. No, Kelly don't like heat. So
why have I got to try yours?
I'm going to go with the wash of yolk and a little bit of milk.
So these are my fillets in the pan, looking nice and bronze. That looks like KFC chicken. I don't get it, it's supposed to be hot.
Mine is like a 5-step process. I'm gonna go chicken, powder, whatever that's called, yolk. That's the yolk and a bit of milk, and I'm gonna go back for powder, and then I'm gonna go egg whites with milk. I don't know why. I don't like waste really. And then I'm gonna go oven, and then shallow fry. Kelly's going
shallow fry after.
Opposite, but it was quite good, Cal. It was quite good.
It's nice and bronzed, isn't it?
Nice and bronzed.
Nice and bronzed. Like me.
So the whole idea of my chicken is it needs to stay moist, and I think everything needs to stay intact. So I've egged the absolute shit out of it. It is wet chicken.
So this is after the frying pan. I'm just going to pop it in the oven and I'll see you in half an hour. Occasionally. Yeah. So this is mine pretty much finished. Taking it out like 10 minutes before, so I'm going to pop it back in because Jamie's isn't ready yet.
It's getting hot. It's getting hot. It's getting hot in the kitchen. Gravy time, right? When I think of gravy at KFC, I think thick. It's got to layer the chicken. It doesn't have to drop like, you know, like your southern gravy. Butter. I'm thinking butter, chicken, beef stock, and the powder that I used for the chicken. And then I'm gonna put the dregs of the chicken oil and fat into the gravy. Because, you know, there's a rumor about KFC, they just reuse everything. Don't know if it's true. You never know, but it's tasty. So far, this just looks disgusting. I think mine looks better.
I think mine looks better.
Mine's like
Look
fried
at
chicken.
that, it's all bronze. That is like KFC brown right there. So Jamie's gone outside. So I'm just gonna start my gravy. So I know it doesn't look like much right now, but we've basically got a bit of butter, a bit of milk. It's been cooked in the same pan as what my chicken fried in, so it'll have that nice chickeny taste hopefully. And then obviously I've added just a bit of pesto.
So us being stupid and in competition with each other, we forgot about the chips. We were planning on making our own fries, like KFC fries, but unfortunately we forgot. So
we have skin on fries, which is what KFC uses, so it's all good.
we're cheating a little bit. Get some salt on those bad boys.
Yeah, and they'll taste just like KFC.
So Kelly's have come out of the oven. They look quite good.
They look good.
They're very brown. They're very KFC colour. Mine have come out of the oven. They're a bit darker,
Just a bit.
but I've not fried mine yet. So I'm gonna fry mine in very high heat to get that crisp on it. And my gravy looks, what the fuck?
This is mine.
This is Kelly's gravy.
I showed him already.
This is my gravy. Kelly might have the gravy on point, to be fair. Mine looks awful.
I told you I'd win it, the gravy.
My gravy looks so like herby. Oh, it's all stuck to the bottom.
What are you
Shit.
putting in it?
I don't even know. And Kelly's looks spot on, to be fair. She's smashing it. Well, I need to strain my gravy.
Well, I mean, don't make lumpy gravy.
Flavour. See if this actually works. Oh.
That's like... Mate, I am not trying that.
Yeah, you are. It'd be nice.
That's Jamie's stick.
Wait. Look at
Oh no.
Look at it drain now. Oh my god, it's not even draining, it's way too thick. Okay, round 2 on the gravy. I've just drained it, filtered it, added a bit more water, and added a bit of Hendo's and a bit of gravy granules. Kelly's looks good though, man. I'm quite worried. I've just gone in with my chicken, put Kelly's back in the oven. 10 minutes, this competition is over, and we're going to crown a winner. I'm not confident. Kelly's looks good, and the gravy tastes good. So, chef might fail here. Taste test. We're both going to critique our own and then try each other's. So I'm going to go in with the gravy first. Oh, it's a nice gravy thickness.
Mine's really nice and thick. My gravy's so good.
Mine's pretty spot on.
Is it?
Yours is just gravy.
It's a bit nice gravy. Yours is quite nice to be fair.
I've done you on gravy, mate.
Yeah.
I beat you on gravy. Absolutely.
I personally prefer mine, but yours tastes more like KFC. So.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Right, chicken.
Fillet.
I'm gonna go straight for a fillet too. And gravy. Or chicken, just straight up chicken.
Oh man. Hold on, man.
So texture wise, my batter is fucking good. Like, it is not coming off.
My batter does come off quite easy.
It's juicy as well.
Mine's nice. I thought mine was going to be dry and it's not.
The moisture in my chicken.
Yeah.
Proper stayed
What
on.
about with gravy?
It's so moist. It's so juicy. Yeah. Just, oh, look at that. Do you know you get a nice bit of crispy bit like that? I've got you on chicken, mate.
Juicy wise, yeah. Taste wise, no. Yours doesn't taste like KFC.
Neither does yours. And it's dry.
Both fell on the negative. James is too spicy for me. I'm really bad with spice.
Yours is too dairy. Thing is, yours needs gravy to make it nice. And the gravy that goes with it isn't KFC gravy. So I think a partner of my gravy
my chicken
with your chicken is a win.
Oh,
But
hold on. Oh,
what's this?
My
Juicy.
chicken.
Mine's so juicy and moist.
and your gravy.
Yeah. Here we go. This is KFC right here.
I think we've done it. Like mastered.
Spot on.
Yeah.
High five. In terms of competition, I think that's
Pretty fair.
in fact, what's more important to KFC? Chicken.
Chicken or gravy, Mom? What's
So,
more important?
Tips for me. Chicken is moist and the batter is intact. My gravy, I think my gravy is spot on, personally.
I do like your gravy.
Kelly is chicken, presentation wise, her chicken looks amazing. It's a bit dry and a bit dairy on the batter. But her chicken moistened up with my gravy is good.
Is
So-
KFC?
Who wins? I think it's a draw.
I think you should decide.
Look into that camera and go, it's up to
It's
you.
up to you.
You decide.
I can add mayo now. It's actually really tasty though. I'm quite impressed with both. Would you like some chicken? Do you want to try a bit first?